Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we will review 18 stocks and ETF that have huge upside potential for rest of 2023. There are a lot of sale going on right now, which I did identify, and I'm going to review these 18 stocks and ETFs. They do have good opportunity to make a new all-time high, maybe later 2024 or in early 2025. So this is the time you should be looking to collect these, okay? And if you like this content, please hit the like button. Only takes 1 second to hit the like. So let's review it. All right. So first one is Tesla. All these yellow lines are the gaps to the top side. Green lines are the gaps to the bottom side. So I'm going to be very quick because there are 18 stocks. So you can see what's happening on Tesla. We made a new low. Sorry, guys. We made a new low on a couple of days ago, and RSI is making a higher low. PPO has a bearish, green line is below red line, but I think it's going to cross soon. We're just waiting for some pump. Now it is put short term, it is possible. You can see this gap, green line 145. It is possible we can come all the way down to fill this gap, but who knows? Okay, you should not be it doesn't really need to fill. 90% of the gaps do get filled. There are more gaps to the top side than to the bottom side. Just keep that in mind. So start accumulating. I'm expecting a huge bounce. You can see this is a resistance line, white line. Tesla is in bear market since 2021 November, and it's just still going down. I think the day we break out of this white line, this is going to be a very explosive move, and I'm expecting Tesla to bottom very, very soon. It's quite possible even in March we can bottom, and from here to the top gap fill, which is around 405, there's 132% upside potential. Okay, so you can see there's huge opportunity, and this is one of the mega cap stocks, and it's going nowhere. There's a lot of bearish news right now, and that's the time you really want to buy this. Okay, so first one is Tesla. UNH is second, the biggest healthcare provider in North America. They're just selling it off. They had a hack a couple of days ago in their server, in their software system, and then since then they've been just dumping. You can see yellow lines are the gaps to fill. There's also a gap here on 449. I suspect it's not going to be filled, but this is the biggest healthcare stock in S&P 500 and Dow Jones. So there's a huge potential opportunity from here to the all-time highs. We are looking at 17% gain, and this is quite possible this year, guys. Okay, so the biggest healthcare sector, UNH, is on sale. All right, so next up is natural gas, which is commodity. You can see right now it's giving us an opportunity to buy again. It's going to bottom, in my opinion, very soon. There are two gaps, 1.698 and 1.493. So I think I'm going to start accumulating as soon as it fills this first gap, 1.698, from where we are right now, looking for around 8% downside move. If that happens, start buying it. And the, I think, last gap, which is maybe possible 19% downside, but I don't know. There are 90% gaps filled, so who knows? So you should start accumulating as soon as 1.698 is filled, which I think it will very, very soon. And what you're going to buy, you're going to buy UNG for long-term hold. You can buy this one, UNG. There's also UNL. Okay, this is also another one which is lower expense ratio. And if you want to buy if you're a very experienced trader, 2x ETF, which is BOIL, that's also you can use to buy it. Okay, so but this is only for day traders. I don't recommend holding it for long, because this one, if natural gas goes down one, this goes down 2%. Okay, I mean twice the amount it goes down. So you got to be very careful. So I only recommend UNG or UNL. And if you're Canadian, you can buy HUN, or if you want to buy, sorry, not this one, HUN, this one, Horizon Gas ETF, and HNU if you want to play like Boyle. There's also Toronto HNU if you want to buy this. Okay, so that's natural gas is the third one, and I'm going to go to commodities later on. Apple, okay, Apple is the other, the one of the biggest. I think probably top two or top three right now. Apple is the biggest S&P 500 stock, maybe top one. So from here where we are right now, I'm expecting a new all-time high, 17% upside potential. So why don't you want to be buying this? This is great opportunity to buy and coming very close to the support. Google also, okay, so from here, looking for a huge upside move from here to the rest of the year, 13-14% move possible. Google is the other one. Snowflakes, bad earnings. Earnings were good, but guidance was low. But I think it's quite possible there's a gap around 144.74. They could come to fill that. Actually, there's another gap here. I forgot to mark it. So there's another gap here. No, actually, this is a gap which yeah. So this is the final gap, 144. It could come down. So the downside risk from here is around 10%, but the upside potential on snowflakes from here to the new highs is around 50%. All right, 46%. So keep that in mind. Boeing, another one, biggest one of the biggest North American Industrial stock, you can see down heavily. There was some new news with BULZ falling. Upside potential 34% here. Starbucks, biggest coffee chain in North America. Everybody know about it. From here to the new highs, 27% upside potential. And let's go to Air Canada. This is also the biggest airline in Canada. You can see from here, even to previous high is almost 47% potential here. So I'm just gonna keep going very fast here. Pfizer is the other one. You can see following this downtrend line, trying to break out, but still not able to break out. We can maybe make this better, something like this. So you can see it really needs to break this trend line, and but divergence, new lows with higher momentum. So very good time to buy Pfizer here, and potential opportunity from where it is right now to the high 101%. Enbridge, this is the biggest Canadian utilities provider. This is energy sector. So coming close to resistance, if it breaks out from here, potential opportunity for Enbridge is almost 33%. All right, and Alibaba China. Okay, so you can see it broke out of this wedge, and there's also a gap, many gaps up, a gap here. For some reason, if it comes to 68, that's going to be ultimate buy from here. But I don't know, 6% down, it could happen in a day. So if that happens, just close your eyes and buy it. But there's huge potential opportunities from here to the previous high around 64% there as well. All right. Nutrien is another biggest, this is inflation play. This is another very commodity stock. You can draw a trend line like this, okay, and you can I have to clean it up a bit. You can see something like this. Maybe we'll clean up a bit and make this a trend line, or we can yeah, okay, we can make something like this, and you can see it kind of try to break out, break down, broke out, and now back testing this gap around 52 can be filled, and then it's going to be ready to for a breakout. And from here to the highs, almost more than 100% upside. You can see new lows made on divergence, higher momentum on RSI and PPO, so looking good. All right, let's quickly look at commodities. Those are the other ones. So palladium, all right, this is also, you can see keep going lower, higher momentum if I zoom in, higher momentum on RSI, higher momentum on PPO, and the upside potential is unlimited here. Okay, palladium upside potential 213. PALL is the ETF if you want to buy this. This is the one. All right. Soybeans also, you can see from here upside potential is almost huge, more than 50%, 40, 50%. SOYB is the ETF. All right, this is for sorry, American ETF, SOYB. Sugar, okay, sugar is also down heavily. From here, upside potential is here 30%, and the ETF is CANE, cane. All right, this is what you can buy. And wheat is also down. You can see new lows, but again, upside potential is 140%. You can see WEAT is the ETF. These are the things you can keep holding. I think commodity play is weak, but eventually it's going to break out as soon as Fed Jerome Powell announce lower interest rates. All these going to fly. All right. So you can see this is the other one. Corn almost 80% possible, and the ETF is same thing. Corn. CORN. This one T Tecrium Confund. So this is the other ETF. Okay, guys. All right, guys. I just wanted to share this, and hopefully you will like and you will make tons of profit. These are the best picks from my side, and I wish you all the best. Hit the like button if you like this. All right, take care. Bye.